Welcome back to my new video, and today we will do direct and indirect speech. So first of all, sorry for background noise, and let me start with the introduction of direct and indirect speech meaning. So first of all, direct speech is the speech when we quote actual words of speaker, and indirect speech is the speech when we quote words of speaker in our own way. In the daily life, we mostly use indirect speech as like if we say that Ram or any friend, Ram says I am a doctor, so it is a direct speech because we are saying that Ram says that he is a doctor. So means we are quoting this in our own words, but he said that I am a doctor, and we are quoting that he is a doctor. So this is direct speech and this is indirect speech. Okay, so let me write an example here. Wait a minute, let me write this down. So for example, in it, Ram said, I am a doctor. So here it will become Ram said that he was a doctor. So he said that I am a doctor. For example, suppose that I am Ram and you are his friend. So I am saying that I am a doctor, and you will say to some other person that he is a doctor. So means you quoted it in your own words. So that is indirect speech, and I quoted in my words, that was direct speech. So remember that we always use comma and then inverted comma in the indirect speech, and mostly we use that one in indirect speech. But in case there is a caution, then we don't use it. So remember it. Okay, let me erase it. I hope you have learned it. So now see so you can see that what is reporting speech. So like Ram said I am a doctor, so here Ram said is reporting speech, and I am a doctor is reported. We have to learn this, so learn it. Now let me erase it. So now let's move to the truth. So if it is universal truth, let me give heading in here. So if it is universal truth, then the tense remains same, and suppose it is like in present, so it will become past. In this whole is in indirect speech, and this is in direct speech, remember. And if it is past already, then it is past perfect. We have to learn this, so learn it. And in future, no change except modal auxiliaries. So what is modal? Modal is like will, shall, may, So it will change to would, should, might. So you have to learn this in this. So you can see if it is present continuous, then it will become past continuous. If it is past continuous, then it will become past perfect continuous, and so on. So you have to just learn these 4 intenses. Okay, so past continuous changes when it refers to a complete action. You have to also learn this. Now let me tell you. Let me give you some example. Okay, wait a minute. This is your hint, okay? For tenses. So red is with direct. It is my pen color, and green with indirect. Okay, so I am using firstly red pen. So I think you have learned this, so I am erasing it for now so that you can't cheat now. So let me write the direct speech with green pen. So indirect speech, the question is Rahul says the teacher is ill. Let me tell you one more rule that I haven't told you. So this rule is that if the reporting speech is in present, so in tense does not change. So this was last rule. I think if there will be any rule, I will share it in part 2 of this. So Rahul says the teacher is ill. So tell me what will be in this question. Let me change the color of the pen. Let me make it orange. So now tell. Do it fast. So let me tell you the answer. So it will be Rahul says that the teacher is ill. Now you will think why it is in the present, so why it is not the teacher was ill. So because reported speech, that is Rahul says, it is says, so it is in present tense, so tense will not change. Okay, this is your first practice exercise, and this was very important. So second question is, she said the sun rises in the east. So let me tell you, let me give you time for only 10 seconds. So let me tell you the answer. It will become she said. Okay, she said. Now that the sun rises in the east. Now because it is universal truth, it means that it is in the whole universe. Also it means that it is in the whole universe, because you can see sun rises in east. Now there is one more question. The sun rises in the west. Now tell me. Only 2 seconds. Okay, so it will become the sun rose in the west, because it is not universal truth. He was just making you fool. It is not universal truth. That's why. So in this part only this much. I will tell you the other questions in another part.